Greetings, hi there guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our tutorial. Right now we're back with a new video. So in this tutorial we will see how to connect your WhatsApp through your website. So let's get started. What we have to do is, we have to open our code editor. I use Visual Studio Code. So here is already opened, and then we have to take a folder, and here we have to add a new file. So this file will be named as index.html, and by using not sign we can get a structure of HTML. And in this body tag we have to write a tag, and we have to give us image source. So in this source we will add our WhatsApp image. So let's go to our browser and search for WhatsApp logo. Alright, then we can see this one. So let's take this one and download it, and let's save it as anything WhatsApp. Alright, and then from here we have to give the source, then our image name, it's app.png. Alright, and then we can name it as WhatsApp Gateway. This will be our title of website, and then we can write here CSS style, and here we have to take a tag and curly braces. On here we have to write position fixed, and from right there will be 25 px, bottom 25 px, and we can give here a tag, and then img in curly braces. We have to give the white of the picture. The white would be 60 px. Let's save it and open. Alright, here is our logo when positioned, and we have to click on new tab and search WhatsApp number. Oh, I spelled mistake. WhatsApp number link, and then you will find the first link, how to use click to chat WhatsApp FAQ, and then we will find the URL. So we have to use this one, and before we do, please make sure you do not use plus sign, minus, or first bracket, this kind of signs right here. And then we copy the sign, first one, and we put here. So after the slash we have to give our code like 8801712345678. So this way we can use, instead of 88 you can use your country's code, any code. If it's USA, then 1, and then your numbers. So this is how you can use that. And then let's get back to our website, and when we click in this button, then it will take us to the WhatsApp integration site, and when we click open, then this exact number will be open to our WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you like it, please click on like button and stay tuned with us. Thanks.